All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, guys, whenever you're watching this. If I sound really tired, it's because I'm doing this at 5:50 in the morning, and we're trying this out. So this is a video explaining how to write an advanced paragraph. If you scored really well on your basic paragraphs by now, I'm giving you this, the next step in your writing evolution. So just like every other paragraph, you're going to have a topic sentence, you're going to have a commentary, and you're going to have a conclusion. The thing that's different about this one is right smack in the middle. If you can see, now I'm expecting you to find two pieces of evidence, and then you obviously with evidence comes explanation, so you're going to have to explain it. I'm going to take you through an example paragraph graphic organizer, and then you should be good to go. So here is the graphic organizer. The question, why should everyone in DC be Washington National fans? Alright, so like always, we're going to start with our answer. Let's see, my answer is going to be because they make the playoffs almost every year. Alright, so that's my answer. Now we're going to restate the question. Everyone should be really familiar with this, because if you're getting this, that means you've mastered the basic paragraph template. But if we get rid of the why and we get rid of the should, we have everyone in DC should be Washington Nationals fans. Except I spelled things correctly. How did I spell that correctly still? There we go. Okay. Now, we gotta put it together. You can either go answer, restated question, or restated question, answer, whichever sounds better. Because my answer starts with because, we have to go restated question. So we're going to say everyone in DC should be Washington Nationals fans because they make the playoffs almost every year. Okay, so there's our topic sentence. Now we gotta go to our evidence. According to MLB, that's National MLB, National League of Baseball. Yep. And here's our quote from source. Quote, the Nationals made it to the playoffs in 2016. Now we're going to do our evidence sentence. According to MLB, quote, the Nationals made it to the playoffs in 2016. And my parentheses, period. I don't know why that happened. Parentheses, period. Alright. Now explanation. Obviously, first explanation. You're going to choose one. Let me highlight it for y'all. I'll underline it. We're going to choose one. I like this means because it's the shortest. Just keeping it honest. And how does our evidence relate to our answer? And this means the Nationals were one of the best teams in baseball this year. Now we're going to combine it, and you guys know how to do this. Boom. First evidence, first explanation. Now, if we were doing a normal essay or a normal basic paragraph, we go right to the commentary. But that's not the case. We got to do another piece of evidence. So for this, I'm going to use the same source. So according to the National Baseball League, and the Nationals have made the playoffs 3 in the last 4 years. They were doing really well. Now we're going to do our putting it all together. According to NLB, quote, Nationals have made the playoffs 3 of the last 4 years. Second explanation. Because this is the second one, I'm going to choose something different. So I'm going to choose, this illustrates that. Evidence to prove your answer. This illustrates that. So this means the Nationals have been the best, or one of the best teams in baseball for the last 4 years. This illustrates that Nationals have been oh, look at that, I made a typo, one of the best teams in baseball for the last 4 years. Boom. Second explanation down. Now we got a commentary. Got to connect it to our lives, another class, or Aaron history. Alright. Let me pause it real quick. Drinking some coffee. Alright. Commentary. I'm back. So I'm gonna write, it is important to be a fan. Or no. It's important to the city to have a winning team to boost morale. For example, the last time the Redskins made the playoffs, everyone in the city was just nicer. If more people were Nationals fans, the city would be a nicer place to live. Because they win more. Alright, so this commentary, if you notice, I connected it to another team, the Redskins, and then I brought it back to the Nationals. I made it very clear. I also noticed that my commentary was more than one sentence. Alright, in conclusion, since I'm doing this on a computer, I'm going to copy and paste. Because why shouldn't I? I'm going to restate the topic sentence. Boom. In conclusion, boom. And there you have it. How to write a paragraph in under 10 minutes. So, topic sentence, first piece of evidence, first explanation. Second piece of evidence, Second explanation. Commentary, very important. And then your conclusion. This is the advanced template. I kind of went very quickly because you guys already know how to write a basic paragraph. If you don't, there's an instructional video on that as well. All right? And now, hopefully you understand it.